In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload high quality videos on Instagram on your iPhone. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys two ways on how you can do that. The first method is to do that on your camera settings, and the second method is to do that on the Instagram itself. Okay, Instagram has some settings where you can turn off or turn on high quality videos, so that whenever you try to upload a video, it will not reduce the quality. Instagram will not reduce the quality by turning off that feature on Instagram. Let me show you guys what I am talking about. Okay, now you want to open your camera. Okay, now the next time, guys, you want to record something, let me select the video. You want to make sure you click where it says 700p. You want to make sure you select 4K. Okay, select here 4K, and 30, you want to click on 30 and make sure you select 60. Okay, 60, so that you will record a very high quality video using your iPhone. Now, if you recorded the video using 4K and 60 FPS, now you want to just after you record it, guys, you want to go back to your Instagram. Okay, after that, guys, you want to click on data use. You want to click on three little lines in the top right of your Instagram account, so that you can change the settings on your Instagram account, so that Instagram will not reduce the quality after you post the videos. Now, you want to click settings and click on account. After you click on account, you want to click on data usage. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Click on data here, and here you can see here, guys, upload at the highest quality. You want to turn this on. Okay, now the moment you try to post something, Instagram will not reduce the quality. That's exactly, guys, how you can upload high quality videos on Instagram. Please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.